Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we're looking at a Dark Time Force expansion pack for the Star Wars card game, the LCG. This is from 2013 from Fantasy Flight Games. You do need the core LCG box set to play. And this is SWC04. It continues the Hoth storyline from Empire Strikes Back. And it has 60 cards inside. So let's open it up, see what the cards look like, and hopefully they will be interesting. Alright, I do like the little cardboard pieces in here. I've mentioned that before. This does not want to open. Since the blue deck is on top, we will start with that. Then we'll look at the red cards. Battle of Hoth. Then Ion Cannon Burst. Action Series Bulk Transport. Renegade Squadron Escort. Another Renegade Squadron Escort. These are probably numbered differently. And you'll be able to see the little AT-AT walker telling you what set they're from. It doesn't tell you specifically they're from this box. That's why we're doing this. But it tells you what series it's from. Next up we have Prepare for Evacuation. Then Battle for Hoth. Ion Cannon Burst. Action Series Bulk Transport. Renegade Squadron Escort. Renegade Squadron Escort. Prepare for Evacuation. Heat of Battle. Unwavering Resolve. Sorasu Training. I can't pronounce that. I don't know. Godal Outcast. Godal Outcast. Self-Preservation. Then Heat of Battle. Unwavering Resolve. That training one I can't pronounce. Godal Outcast. Godal Outcast, and finally Self-Preservation. Alright, the art is fantastic on these. I really like that. They put a lot of work into it. Let's check out the red deck. Oops. First up we have Carbonite Chamber Activation. Little Ugnaught looking all sneaky. Cloud City Incinerator. Z95 Headhunter. Z95 Headhunter. Ugnaught. The Hunt for Han Solo. Carbonite Chamber Activation. Cloud City Incinerator. Z95 Headhunter. Z95 Headhunter. Ugnaught. The Hunt for Han Solo. Heavy Fire. The Moorish Moraine. Probably pronounced that wrong. MTV7. MTV7. Colonel Stark. Something like that. I don't know. A Dark Time for the Rebellion. Heavy Fire. Moorish Moraine. MTV 7. Again. Colonel Stark. Dark Time for the Rebellion. Force Push. Anger. Sanity Elite. Prophet of the Dark Side. Prophet of the Dark Side. Serve the Emperor. Another Force Push. Anger. Sanity Elite. Prophet of the Dark Side. Prophet of the Dark Side. And finally, Serve the Emperor. Okay. That is what is inside a Dark Time Force Pack. It's an expansion for the Star Wars, the card game, or LCG. That is... Obviously, this is not a standalone game. So, you will need the core set to play it. But the card quality is really nice. The imagery is really nice. It looks like a good expansion. All around, I'd say this is probably worth checking out if you're going to play the LCG. If you're not going to play that, then this is totally pointless, other than being a Star Wars completionist and for some reason you want to pick up the cards. These are getting harder to find because they are fairly old at this point, but Fantasy Flight makes quality stuff, so these should hold up pretty well. I would definitely sleeve these to protect them if you're going to be playing a lot. So that being said, this looks pretty cool. And you've heard what I have to say. We've seen what's in the box, and it is high quality, like always from Fantasy Flight. That's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you want to help the channel in other ways, links are in the description and on the About page. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.